Okay, so this video is about 10 new things that I learned from the Ditch Summit Chromebook guide. So here's the link to that guide in the video. So the things that I learned, they help you save time and do things faster on the Chromebook. So the first thing on the list is the two-finger swipe. So let's say I look up an essay for school, click on the link, and then I'm like, oh shoot, this is a summary, I have to go back. I could just do the two-finger swipe, and I'm back here. And so like it saves you time instead of pressing the arrow keys. Oh shoot, it's lagging. Okay, there we go. Instead of using the touchpad and moving the mouse, you can just do the swipe, and you can also go backwards. You just put two fingers on the touchpad, swipe left or swipe right to go forward. Now the next thing that I learned is my favorite. It's really cool. It's the three-finger gesture. So I'm the person that always has a ton of tabs open, and then it's sometimes annoying where I have to use a mouse, find out which tab I need. So instead of using the mouse, you can just do this gesture where you can move between tabs easily. So you just put three fingers on the touchpad, swipe left or swipe right to select which tab you need. And the cool thing is it gives you like a little light to show you which tab you selected. And yeah, it's just really cool. Now here's another little neat trick. As a student, I always have to like gather links and show my sources for research and stuff like that. So instead of using the mouse to go up here, highlight all that, you can just do Control L, and then it's already highlighted, and then you can copy and paste that link to your document or wherever you need it. Okay, so the next thing is the bookmarks bar. You can two-finger tab or right-click this area right here, and it will show you like settings, and then right here is add folder. Click on that, you can make a new folder to help organize your bookmarks bar. So let's just call this example, and folder, there it is. I can click and drag my bookmarks, and it just helps organize your bookmarks bar so that you can easily find out which ones you need. Now the next thing is this link right there, docs.google.com/create. What this does is it creates a blank document in Google Docs. It's way faster than going into Google Drive, clicking new, Google Docs, blank document. You can just do all of that with a simple link. Now moving on, there's this thing called voice typing. Hold on. There we go. It's lagging. Alright. It's a cool feature that tracks your audio and can help type words. So this can be helpful for people that struggle to type or want to be more efficient, period. It's pretty cool! Exclamation point. And there you go, that's just a demo of how to do that. Okay, moving on. Let's go into a drawing. Let's add a shape. Okay, now let me just create a couple of these. Control click and drag. Oops, okay, that works too. Now let's say I wanted one rectangle over another, right? I wanted this rectangle above this rectangle. Instead of, going to order and all of send forward or backward, as you can see, there's a shortcut for each of these right here. Control and an arrow key to move it up one or down one. Or if you hold shift, it moves it all the way up or all the way down. Okay, so here's a situation. Say I made a typo somewhere. Right there. Instead of individually pressing the arrow keys until I get there, I can say the cursor's over here, or instead of using the mouse to click there, you can just do control, and notice it's, instead of going by letter, it goes by word. So now if you hold shift, control, and then left or right, it highlights. Now, so that's for the left and right arrow keys. If you hold control and the up and down keys, it will go by paragraph. And then same thing, you can just hold control shift and it will also highlight as it moves along. This just helps you save time instead of using the mouse. Maybe you missed. It's just way faster that way. Okay, so moving on to my last item on the list. So this situation has happened to me multiple times before where I copy a sentence or quote. So let me do that right now, for example. Control C to copy. And then Control V. Oh, but the font is different. So I would have to manually change it. Have to highlight all of this, change the font and size. Well, instead of doing all that, instead of Control V, if you do Control Shift V, hold on, let me move this here. Control Shift V. Now the font is the same. Saves a ton of time. Now I found all of these commands, shortcuts really useful. I plan to use them all in the future. Yeah, that's pretty much it.